going to be narrating some of this because some reason our mics cut out pretty bad. So we started off with cat-cow, and you just want to start in a tabletop position like we're doing here.
This is looking good.
Yeah. And then you want to start by arching your back and look up to the sky. And this is just stretching your back out.
Oh, there it is.
And then you want to curve in.
And you don't have to do cat-cows this slowly. I like to take these slow because I have back issues, and so I really want to take my time with stretching it and giving it the stretching that it needs with these positions. But you don't have to go this slow. You can take your time, or you can do them more quickly, whichever feels best for your body. You can really feel these throughout your whole back. I can even feel mine into my neck sometimes. And these can also help open up your heart chakra. What I like to do next in a flow is to go to downward dog. It's the most natural thing for me to do. This will also help stretch out your back as well as your hamstrings and calves. It's a really nice, gentle, full body stretch. And you want to make sure that your body is almost in a V shape as much as you can. This is what I'm kind of instructing Austin to do right here. Trying to get him into the right positioning so that he can properly feel it. And if you want to give your legs more of a stretch, you can bend one leg at a time and push through your heel on the other leg, and that really helps. And then we go down into Cobra, which really helps the lower back for me. And this position also opens up your heart chakra. And as you can see, Austin is really feeling this one. This is a nice gentle one after a full body stretch like downward dog. And then I'm showing him how to go into child's pose. You really want to try to get your butt as close to your heels as possible. And then stretch out your hands in front of you while pulling down your hips. I'm telling him that you want to create tension, so it's like you're pulling your spine forward and back. You're really just stretching out that spine. And I'm not sure if this next stretch has a name, but it's a nice counter stretch that I like to do after child's pose. This one also helps with the lower back and then the front of your thighs. It kind of stretches out. Austin's also feels that one. Just trying to help him get the stretch in even more. He said he has problems with his lower back, and that this was really helping with that. Then I'm just showing him some basic leg stretches. He's told me that his hips feel really tight sometimes, and this is just a simple leg stretch that can get in the calf and the hamstring and some of the hip as well. I've read that you really want to do at least 30 seconds per stretch, that's really when you get the benefits of stretching, and even more if you want to. And then we're hitting butterfly pose, which is really good for your inner thighs and your outer thighs and even your back. A lot of these moves really focus on the full back and the hamstrings and hips, because those are really my biggest problem areas, and they are also what Austin really struggles with as well. So if you're looking for stretches that target those areas, these will be perfect for you. You really just need 10 to 15 minutes in the day to do these, and your body will thank you for it.